Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we are going to learn how to archive orders on your Wix site. Follow along, it's super quick and easy. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales, then go to Orders. You'll see your order list right here. Check a checkbox of the order or orders that you want to archive. Once you're done selecting, go to More Actions here and then select Archive. The orders you selected will automatically be moved to Archived. Archiving your orders will remove them from your order list, but you cannot completely delete orders in Wix. If you want to view them, click on Filter, and here on the right panel, look for Archive Status and tick the Archived checkbox. And you should see your archived orders once again. And if you want to unarchive them, tick their checkboxes, click on More Actions again, and select Unarchive Orders, and they will be removed from the archives and moved back to your order list. And that's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.